at Alderfer Three Sisters Park. Gonna do one of the trails here. I want to climb to the peak of the Sisters. Let's see how that goes. This seems like it's gonna be a pretty easy trail, but as usual, I'm using all trails on my phone because it's just so user-friendly. You really can't get lost with this. There are several trails you can take here at this park. I did hear about Ponderosa, but we're gonna do Sisters Trail. I'm only a few minutes into the hike. To my surprise, I'm a little out of breath. I came straight from the airport and I live in South Florida where we are at sea level. I don't know the exact elevation here, but it's far higher than sea level. Last time I was out here, I was about a month and a half ago doing a little hiking trip. I guess my lungs are not accustomed, but it's all good. I'm loving this scenery. We're still kind of like the beginning of March. There is some scattered snow, but clearly the snow's been melting. It's a pretty scenic trail so far. Going through a lot of rocks. In the background we got some mountains. And I think I'm getting kind of close to where those sisters are. Nice rugged course. I love it. Very rocky. As far as my map shows, I am now arriving at where the actual Three Sisters are. I'm guessing this is the first one. I'm gonna see if I can climb it somewhere. Let's see. GoPro's on my head. We're gonna just climb up this. See if we get to the top of it. I'm sure the views are beautiful. Don't try this at home, kids. Let's see how high we can get. I'm sure we'll find our way up. Make a little exciting trail here. Without getting stuck on both hands and feet. Nice. I'm gonna jump across here. Yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, so cool. Love it. This looks like it might be the highest rock, or one of them. Awesome. Just finding what feels like the safest areas to climb. Some of this on all fours. I don't know that you're actually supposed to be up here, but I really wanted to get to the top. When in Colorado on a work trip, take a little time to enjoy some awesome hiking and rock climbing. Look at this scenery. Oh my God. So cool. That is definitely one of the sisters, and I think that in the distance is another one. All right, I carefully climbed up the first sister, and great scenery. I'm loving it up here. This is very nice. Yeah, this was an interesting part. I kind of had to lie down to get up here. Let's see, how do we get down? I guess I find backwards. Here's another peak. I think it's part of the same sister. We're gonna try to, if it's safe, I'm gonna try to climb up it. We'll see. I don't advise you to do something like this if you're not comfortable or good physical condition. I'm pretty light and light on my feet, so I feel comfortable doing this. Kind of like a monkey. All right, we did it. We made it to the top of this peak. That's next on the list. Let's go do that. We just had some fun on that first little peak, summit, whatever. Gonna go up this next one. This next one looks probably like the shortest one, so it should be fun. And then we'll go to the tallest one. Maybe I'll take the drone out. Let's see. Yeah, of course. Monkey strength here. All fours. All right. Cool. Just got to be extra careful on the way down. Okay. Yeah. Almost to the top. Just trying to be a little creative with some of my steps. Woo. This was probably the easier peak to get up. Way easier than the previous one. But still quite satisfying. There's the next one, but that's where we were a few minutes ago. Climbing on all fours. Okay. Do this. Save your heat. Okay. Yep. Made it to the top of the highest one. And here we are. Nice. Yep. This is definitely the higher one of the sisters. Very cool. Oh my god, I love it. Made it to the top of the highest one. We're just going over to the edge to get a better look. Oh, yep. Oh man, I thoroughly enjoyed this, and I think this part of it is the coolest peak, because from here you can see the other peaks and just more of the scenery. Very cool. Yes. The wind is really making it extra chilly, but my feet are warm because I'm wearing my Savior heated socks as well as my heated gloves. So my extremities are all feeling great. I want to go down the way we came, which was over here. I'm gonna need all my limbs. I thoroughly enjoyed climbing the sisters. That was so much fun. I don't really know if you're supposed to do that. I saw somebody else's YouTube video, people doing it, but I didn't see anyone else on any of them, so it was kind of cool. I got to experience it all by myself. I had it all for myself. Very cool. I am back on the trail now, making my way to finish. I think there's something called Brothers Lookout, which is, we'll pull out the camera when we get there. Three-way thing that says Bearberry, so that must lead to another trail. That's not what we're doing. We're continuing Sisters Trail. Here we go. I'm only telling you in case you were looking to see what this specific trail was like. Okay, we've gotten to this little extension, Brothers Trail. So it's a short trail that leads to a lookout. We're gonna go do that and then come back and continue our hike. Let's go, Brothers Trail. Brothers Overlook, that's the name. Well, let's climb up there. Very nice. I've tired myself out, but we're good. We made it to Brothers Overlook. It's pretty nice. Does not compare to the views when you climb to the top of those sisters. Those peaks were pretty awesome, but this is still pretty nice. I like it. Just walking, finishing the loop. Pretty peaceful, and it looks like we've reached that point, and we've made it back to the car. This was awesome. We took a little detour from the trail because I really wanted to climb up the Three Sisters, and as you probably saw in the footage, it was freaking awesome. I really enjoyed it. It was pretty epic, and I would definitely come back here and maybe explore some of the other trails. I gave this a 2 thumbs up. I'm holding the camera here, but you got to come check it out when you're in Colorado, all right? This is in Evergreen, Colorado. awesomeness. Please check out some of my other content, some of the other hikes we've done in Colorado and around the world, really. See you on the next one, guys. Keep having adventures. Cheers. Many travels and hikes.